Martin Sweatman and Dimitrios Tsikritsis, experts who are on a research mission on the borders of archaeology and astronomy, have come up with a fascinating new hypothesis about a pillar at Göbekli Tepe, which they named Vulture Stone. The pillar they are talking about may not be just a piece of symbolic art, but it can be an example of the early period of a star map. To be more precise, the scorpion, duck, and wolf figures that are represented on the stone could be the animals of the stars, which to us are the constellations Scorpio, Libra, and Canis. Their research results show that these correspondences are the same directions of the stars from 10,950 BCE, a time when, according to scientists, the Younger Dryas, a sudden global climate change, started. The most attractive part of the research is the picture of a falling object that looks like a meteor, which is on the top of a headless human figure. This violent depiction has already led to the idea that it is the symbol of a comet impact or of a solar flare of such an extent that it would have caused a disaster of a great scale. A writer named Graham Hancock has speculated this further and called it a cosmic disaster that could be a reason for the disappearance of a highly advanced ancient civilization. In his opinion, the lost civilization could have built this site a monument or a sign for the future generations when they were still alive. In addition to all of that, there are some people who think that the four main structures of Göbekli Tepe are directed at the point where Sirius, the brightest star seen from the Earth, rises. If the direction is correct, then the builders of the site had a deep knowledge of astronomy and utilized it in the construction of the place in a purposeful way. They could have not only made Göbekli Tepe a spiritual center, but also the star's encoded message on the stones of the past. However, they could also have left it there as a sign or a beacon to future generations.